fix the profile you're looking for doesn't exist on Instagram problem. So if you're facing an issue of the profile you're looking for doesn't exist on your Instagram problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Because if you don't have the internet connection, then you might find this kind of issue. Because of the poor internet connection, you won't find the profile. The second method is to open up your Instagram. After opening, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now you need to scroll all the way down and you will have help. Tap on help. Under help, tap on report a problem and tap on report problem without shaking and tap on don't include. And here you need to enter your problem. So briefly explain what happened. So you need to write, hello Instagram, I'm facing an issue of the profile you're looking for doesn't exist on Instagram. So please help me. And after writing that, you can go with send and your problem might be fixed. It will give you some solutions. Meanwhile, you can tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with your app info. Now go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back and you can open up your Play Store now. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, you need to tap on update and update. After updating, your problem might be fixed. Or if all of these doesn't fix your issue, then make sure that the profile that you are looking for is not deactivated or deleted. Because if the other person has deactivated or deleted their account, then the profile that you are looking for will say that it doesn't exist. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.